Indulge me.
Indulge?
Hmm?
Okay. I've raised Spike as my own. I love him as much as I do Ian. Always have, always will.
And your daughter?
She's not my daughter. She has two loving parents, Reese and Bianca, and they were supposed to raise her in Paris. That was the plan.
And now? You're still all right with that?
I think I've made myself perfectly clear.
Okay. Well, then we don't have to discuss this ever again. We will go to the wedding, and I might even shed a tear for Greenlee. And then I will toast the brides, and that will be that.
There you go.
The second they leave for France, you and I start rebuilding our lives.
Done my homework, Doctor. Went to see a guard.